time is changing. The days are getting shorter and cooler. And I'm already seeing a few leaves changing colors and falling. And even though in this area the leaves start really changing and the peak season is mid of October, you start seeing the changes really early. And I really love the fall. The fall is a beautiful season, full of color, full of closing up our year, getting ready to the winter, when we just dream about what's coming. But instead of dreaming, we should be enjoying the moment and let the future surprise us. Let's stop imagining what it is that is going to happen, good or bad, and just be open to be surprised.